Question 9. So we've got to put a mirror on this wall, and this line out the outside is the measurements of the that far wall, and this is key. We're told one square on the grid is 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters. So what I've decided to do is just shade out the bits where I can't put the mirror and see where I'm left. So let's work through it bit by bit. We're told the mirror is in the shape of a rectangle 125 centimeters by 75 centimeters. So dividing both of these by 25, I can see my mirror is going to have to end up being 5 squares by 3 squares. Now I don't think the question tells me whether it has to be portrait or landscape, so I think that's up to you. I think there's a number of, well, 2 possible answers here. So Kelly wants the top of the mirror to be at least 25 centimeters from the ceiling. Well, 25 centimeters is 1 square, so I can't, there's the ceiling, so I can't have the mirror in that red bit there, so I've just sort of crossed that out really. Secondly, the bottom of the mirror is to be at least 100 centimeters from the floor. Well, 100 divided by 25 is 4 squares, so the mirror's got to be more than 4 squares from the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, so I block that out. I'm also told that it's got to be symmetrical, so the bit on the left's got to be the same as the bit on the right. So I've decided to do it portrait because that was quite handy, because the space I've got left between my red and the blue is exactly 5 squares, which exactly fits my mirror. So I've now just got to make sure that I place it in the middle of here. So I just worked my way in. I crossed off the 2 outside columns, then the next 2, then the next 2, then the next 2. Hey presto, that's where my mirror goes. I can easily check because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares on that side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares on that side. So that's my mirror.